Hi, my name is Ankit Agarwal and I manage the UTI Small Cap Fund. Before I outline the investment strategy of the fund, let me begin by explaining why one should invest in small cap stocks. Small cap companies help investors take exposure in sectors that are relatively underrepresented in the large cap space. Small cap companies also help us target a niche area that may only be a much smaller proportion of a large company. Many large caps and large mid caps of today at some point were small caps of yesterday. Return outcomes in small cap companies have a broad range, and hence one needs to have a proper stock selection criteria to pick up winners and avoid losers. The risks associated with small caps are also much higher and hence make them more vulnerable to high volatility. The due diligence in small caps becomes more important as the stocks here are typically under-owned and under-researched. UTI Mutual Fund, backed by a strong research team and a robust investment process, helps us in bottom-up stock selection and avoid wealth destroyers. We continuously look for opportunities with a long growth runway and positive unit economics. We invest about 60 to 70% of the portfolio in companies that have a scalable business model and are run by good quality managements. And the rest 30 to 40% of companies in turnaround opportunities that could benefit from a cyclical revival in earnings and possible mean reversion in their valuations. We continue to be more quality oriented when it comes to small cap space. As a long-term investor, there is no reason to alter your course. Small cap investing, while inherently high risk and high reward, has consistently shown that time in the market is more effective than attempting to time the market. Yes, there will be volatility and periodic corrections. However, wealth creation is possible if you remain invested through market cycles. It's essential to filter out the short-term noise, trust the process, and allow the power of compounding to work in your favor. Systematic investment plans in UTI Small Cap Fund is well suited for investors who understand the value of patience and long-term growth. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.